Let's get your ice maker sparkling clean. Start by preparing citric acid descaling powder and all the necessary accessories. Remove any ice left in the machine. Detach the drain hoses and position the hose ends lower than the bottom of the ice maker. Remove the drain plug. Drain all the water. Once that's done, reinsert the drain plug and secure it. Now dissolve the citric acid descaling powder in water to make the cleaning solution. Fill the side tank with the solution press and hold the clean button for 3 seconds to start the cleaning process. It will take about 5 minutes. When the indicator turns off, it means the cleaning process is complete. After that, drain the machine again. Don't forget to reinsert and secure the drain plug afterward. Clean the side tank. Refill it with fresh water, and run the cleaning cycle at least 2 more times to rinse out any residues. Finally, clean the ice basket and use a dry cloth to wipe the interior and exterior of the machine. Don't forget to descale your ice maker regularly.